my goodness.
Let's see. What are they doing? Oh! What does this say?
Have fun at PJ Day.
Oh my goodness.
Christmas tree earmuffs.
What? Hey, Ellen Alfonso. Have a good sleep. So I'm so excited. Today is a little pamper day. I'm meeting my cousin. We're going for pedicures at Frilly Lily. But first I'm gonna pick us up coffee. So I thought I'd take you along with us and show you some festive fun for the day. So cozy on up, grab a cup of tea, a coffee, a hot chocolate, a glass of wine, and let me bring you some festive cheer. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Angela. I like to go shopping to find you the very best products at that very best price. Click that subscribe button and let's have some festive fun. Let's get a grande Americano, no room.
For sure.
And a grande chestnut praline latte.
Yeah.
Awesome, that's everything. Thank you. Okay, that was so lovely. Pedicures are all done. I'm at Winners now to do shopping for, well, not for me, but to do my Christmas shopping. And I love Winners. It's so much fun. Something about doing just like last minute, like stocking stuffers is just my favorite. If Santa could hire me to be his little elf to just do stockings, I'd be so happy. So if you want me to do your stockings, let me know. Maybe I'll start a business. Just Angie Stockings. Okay, let's go shopping.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, outside, outside. Cold outside,
Okay, all done. Huge success. Winners is always a winner for me. I'm being a little elf for somebody, so I'm helping some people put together gifts, which is so much fun. But now, gotta go pick up little monkey. She's done school. One more day left before Christmas. We're home. I picked up Ava from school. We were little elves, dropped off her Christmas gifts for her dance teachers. Then I'm gonna get changed and we're gonna bake a little bit. Oh, Bubba. We're gonna bake before dinner and just have like a cozy little night. I am tired. Apparently, Ava fell asleep at school because she's so tired. We're all ready for Christmas break. Hey, Grinchy. Hey, Ava, was it pajama day today at school?
yeah, and I gotta have cookies and juice
You got to have cookies and juice at school today? Why?
because it was a special day.
It was
Pajama day.
It was pajama day.
Can I show you guys everything I got?
Ava made us a gift at school. Got a heart and show everybody the Christmas tree. Beautiful. I can't wait to see what's inside. I see the snowflakes. They're beautiful. Okay. I wonder what it is. Should we guess? It's a hippopotamus.
No.
Dad, do you have any guesses?
Say popcorn.
Daddy says popcorn.
No.
Oh wow.
Okay, that's in there. No!
Oh, is there stuff inside?
Sorry.
Oh, sorry. Okay. What is it?
Chili Mormon.
the Grinchy ornament.
She outlined it.
Oh, Ava drew a heart. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, did you make a card?
Mm-hmm.
What?
Good job.
To Mom and Dad, Merry Christmas, love, Ava. Look how perfect that is.
Good job, kiddo.
And did you do the front? Did you do this? Did you glue it all on?
Yeah, it fell out. That's okay.
That's okay. Ava, it is beautiful.
That's awesome.
And I love it.
Great job.
Are those paint samples?
Possibly.
That's awesome. Ava, thank you. I love
I
it.
have more things to show
I love this ornament so much.
I'll be right
So
back.
cool. I love it.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Oh,
Use pastels?
Ava, that is beautiful, honey.
I need a little mistake there and a little mistake there.
Oh, there's no
But you
mistakes.
can color on top of the
Ava,
other
there is
pastel.
no mistakes. This is gorgeous.
Summer's long gone, baby. The first snow is about to fall. Everybody's waiting for what's to come. We gather round the chimney, sitting close to keep us warm. The mistletoe is hanging at the door. Christmas is the time to set your mind and spirit free. Everybody smiling while we decorate the tree. If I could, I wish for you to spend Christmas here with me. Tell me, can you feel it? There is loving in the air. No more feeling lonely or in despair. We give out the presents, they keep coming back for more. No one should be sad or left alone. Nothing matters more than being here with you. I give up all I have to show you that my love is Christmas is the time to leave your ego at the door. Everybody smiling while we dance around the floor. If I could, I wish for you to spend Christmas here. Christmas is the time to set your mind and spirit free. Everybody smiling while we decorate the tree. If I could, I wish for you to spend Christmas here with me.
All right, so Ava and I are snug as a bug, warm in the car. Ava has her light up too because we're headed to our local light festival. We're so excited. We do this every single year. It's a tradition of ours. Last year was an Arctic freeze. This year it's 12 degrees out and it's like a spring day. So we still bundled up though so that we're not too cold. We're so excited to head out. Mickey hasn't been feeling well. He's been sick. It's on day 3 of being sick. So he's been quarantined to the basement the entire time. Okay, turn on your hat. There you go. She's all ready for the light festival. So you bet your bottom dollar we're gonna take you along with us. This is the end of our festivities that we're gonna be showing you guys. So make sure you enjoy. Grab that cup of hot chocolate and have some fun.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. We're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho, ho, ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, yeah. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from.
So Ava, what do you get to do?
Choose my own gift for mom and
So she's gonna go on this kids-only shopping area. She's so excited.
PK mom.
A Merry Christmas Day.
Mom and Dad.
Dancing around the Christmas tree.
This is so cute. I remember doing that as a kid, going shopping with your mom and dad, and they can't pee.
Christmas tree. Wishing all a Merry Christmas. Christmas tree. Wishing all a Merry Christmas Day.
All right, my friends, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. There's one more left. Then Christmas is here. Okay, I'll see you guys next time.